Previously on Kenny and Nell.
Good morning, you guys.
I forgot what I was going to say.
Doing a bit of a food tour. All right, you guys, we just walked out of Tim Hortons. We got a couple of breakfast sandwiches and coffee.
The only thing I wish I had was a little bit of hot sauce.
Snack time. We also have the wine that we brought along with us.
Cheers. We had French fries and gravy, sir.
We got poutine. Good morning, you guys. It is our last day in Canada, or I should say we are actually leaving today. We're actually getting ready to hit the road right now. Kenny is outside moving the car, and we're packing up. As you can see behind me, we have some stuff on the tables yet, but just wanted to give you a quick tour of the Airbnb that we've been staying at here, which has been amazing. So can't wait to show you more, but we're gonna try to haul some of this stuff out here and make it look like we just walked in. So, because we've been here for a few days, so we cleaned up everything, and we're gonna show you around so you can get a really good idea of where we've been staying. So stay tuned. Look at Kenny over here just fluffing pillows, trying to make sure everything's perfect for you guys.
Yeah, well, it was perfect when we arrived, and we've been here for a few days. And I just wanted to make sure that, you know, that there was a true representation of what this cute little place is, to be honest with you. So.
Yeah, all right, so let's show everybody around.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So, of course, when you walk in the front door, this is like a big studio, basically. When you walk in the front door, you have a futon, couch, whatever you want to call it right here. And one thing we didn't know, there's a diffuser over here. So if you're so inclined, bring some essential oils or something like that to, you know, enhance. But it's very clean, smells very nice, and they have a chess game here that you can play. I don't know how to play chess, so we didn't do that. One of the coolest features about this is...
Oh, hold on, you gotta film that.
Okay, I'm gonna film Nell here doing this.
I'm getting one of these for our house because it is...
Shorty,
so cozy.
Heads up, Shorty, you're gonna have to hang this.
You can like cocoon yourself up in here.
She spent
and say goodnight.
We watched a bunch of YouTube and things like that while we were here, and Nell spent a lot of time in this.
Bye. Oh. Okay.
All right, you just continue with the tour since I have the camera.
Okay. So obviously this is the living area. You have the hammocks here, which is super cool. Over here you have a big TV, which is on like a swivel thing. I don't pull these out because it makes me feel weird that it's like coming off the wall.
Yeah, you can angle it whichever way is comfortable for what you're doing, and easy to plug like your Fire Stick in or anything like that if you have your own, want to use your streaming devices.
Yes, you can set your luggage up there, and then when you come back this way, you have the dining area.
Sorry about our stuff on it.
Yeah, it's fine. We're packing up. I already warned everybody that we've been here for a few days. So
okay, fine.
This is our snack bag. This is what's going to hold all of the ketchup chips we're about to bring back to the U.S. So.
Do we have to declare those?
I don't know the amount we're going to buy. So back here you have the kitchen area. You have a nice little desk over here, so if you need to do some work, you can do that. And when we arrived, we had this cute little note from Abby with a box of cookies, all amazing cookies from this local bakery called Beyond the Batter.
Yeah, they were super good.
I gotta tell you something.
It's empty now.
Yeah, we had a theft. We had a cookie theft.
They were like really thick chocolate chip cookies.
Almost
and they
like
were
cakey.
Yeah, they were really good.
So good. And of course we left a little note mentioning our YouTube channel. And so this property is owned by Blue Panda Properties, which we'll put their information in the description below. But definitely check them out if you're coming to this area. Such a great space. And over here, obviously we have the kitchen. We have a full-size dishwasher and a sink, stove, electric, everything. We've got a full-size refrigerator. And then back here is tons of storage, you guys.
Lots of storage that we really didn't utilize very much. I'm not sure why.
So good. And over here too, there's beach towels in case you want to go to the beach, because you can. Yeah, there are. If you're in town during the right season, there's little beaches around here you can visit. And then into the bathroom here, which is so cute. turn the fan off. This shower, I will say, was possibly designed by a male without female influence in his life. Because while the rain head is great, I think the shower on the cruise ship we were on was maybe slightly larger. And then there's no like shelving in there for like razors or anything like that, which is, it's fine. Like I used the ledge and the vanity, but it's fine.
Yeah, so maybe if you're coming if you buy one of those like little cheap suction cup like things to put stuff on, just to bring along to, you know, put some body wash or something on, might be a good addition.
So then over here we have a very cute vanity area, bamboo top. Love this lighting in this mirror. Yeah,
that light is cool.
And then you've got lots of storage. So you've got
a hair dryer
here, and in here too. Look at all of that. And then there's the toilet.
the toilet.
So that's kind of it for here. And let me turn this off. I'm going to show you the coolest spot in all the land. Where you sleep is up these stairs and in the loft bed. It's so cute up here, you guys. And the bed is so comfy.
And added bonus, there is light control and outlets on either side of the bed up here.
I feel like the airplane director.
Comfortable? The mattress is very comfortable.
All good up here.
All right. Back down the stairs.
Yeah.
And that's really about it, right?
That's pretty much it. They call this a micro apartment. It's perfect to stay in for a few days. We were here since Thursday at Sunday, so it's the perfect amount of time to be here. Long weekend. You have everything you need. And this place is so close to everything in town. You can walk to all of the restaurants.
We did that every night.
Every single night. So
why don't we give them a quick walk out back to show them where the hot tub is?
Oh yeah, there's a hot tub.
So let's take a quick walk. We'll be right back. Leave the front door. We'll show you exactly how to get to the hot tub.
The loudest front door.
There is. So there's parking right out front. It's 2-hour parking for the most time. Nell's going to have to blur that license plate out. I'm sorry. But there's parking then out back here where you can park for the duration of your stay.
Yeah.
So this is a little driveway going behind. I have to like run to keep up with her apparently. I don't know what's going on up there. It's awful early in the morning for you to be so spunky.
True.
So around the corner here is the hot tub, which we spent a lot of time in.
We did. It's so good. It's like a 3. You can't decide if it's like a 3 or 5 person hot tub.
Yeah, but there's plenty of space, and if you had 4 people, that would be fine as well.
It's fine. I think people know what a hot tub is.
It's clip closed, but yeah. So, but they have nice string lighting above it. So at night, there's plenty of light back here, and plenty of space to chill.
There's a fire pit too.
And then yeah, back in the back corner of the property, there's a grill and a fire pit. Again, we're getting to the season where this outdoor stuff is not going to be used quite as much, so it's kind of packed away. But
I love how it's blue though, for like the blue Panda.
Yeah, we didn't use this. We were going to. We just didn't get around to it, honestly. Yeah. So anyway.
All right,
that's it.
We're gonna hit the road.
Yeah, so we're gonna get back on the road to the United States.
Yeah.
And you know.
It's been grand, Canada.
Yeah.
You've been good to us.
We have about 6 hours or so, give or take.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had fun in Canada.
It's cold.
It is cold.
Let's get out of here. All right. Thanks you guys for watching.
Thanks for watching. We have hold on.
Oh.
Here we go.
Thanks you guys for watching. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed all of these videos. I'm not sure where this one will be in the sequence of things.
Yeah, we have several to put out for this trip, but we'll see where this one comes out.
Yeah, for sure. So stay tuned for more awesome content coming up. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
And
give us a thumbs up.
We might even have some home improvement stuff coming up.
Oh, that terrifies
me. But you guys like it because we're not good at it, so.
I'm definitely not good at it, so I can't screw 2 boards together.
I can't wait for that.
All right. Back on the road to the U.S. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Canada for some French fries and gravy, sir.